Math isn't difficult. Math is fun. I am Neelakanta Bhanu Prakash and I am the fastest human calculator in the world. And we are exploring infinities. Exploring infinities is here in front of you to give you a mathematics learning experience like never before. With expert trainers from around the country, we are here to make you learn math the right way.
So we can clearly say that these two angles are 60 degrees each, because 180 degrees is equal to 60 degrees plus 2x, because this is an isosceles triangle, right? So this angle is also 60, this angle is also 60. So what does this mean? This is an equilateral triangle. So this is also 6. So the length of chord is 6. But now we can also see that, now let's try to solve this in a trigonometric, using trigonometry. We can put an angle bisector in between. This will be 90 degrees. So this is 60, so this will bisect it into two angles. So now what will our figure be? It will look like this. So this is 30 degrees. This is 6. And this is obviously angle bisector. So this is 6 by 2. That is 3. Right? So that is another way to go about this. And then 3 and 3. So that is the length of chord. Or you can say this is 30 degrees. So that is why sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So that is x by 6. So x is equal to 3. So this is 3. So these are 2-3 ways to go about this, and we can clearly solve and say that the length of chord is 6. So now let's take another question. In triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, determine angle QPR and angle PRQ if PQ is equal to 3, PR is equal to 6. Let's see. Right? So this is QPR. So we need to determine this angle and this angle if PQ is 3 and PR is 6. So now let's take this as sine R is 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. Sine R is 1 by 2. So that means sine R is 1 by 2. So R is 30 degrees. And if R is 30 degrees, we obviously know that sum of all angles is 180 degrees. So this is 60 degrees. So that is another way to solve. Right? So now let's do another question. Sine A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 and cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2 and 0 less than A plus B less than or equal to 90 degrees. A greater than B. Find A and B. So how will you go about this? So sine A minus B is 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. So A minus B is 30. Cos A plus B is also 1 by 2. So cos A plus B is this. So that is 1 by 2. So A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. So let's just solve this. So 2A is equal to 90 degrees and A is equal to 45 degrees. So if A is 45 degrees, A minus B is equal to 30 degrees, right? So B is equal to 15 degrees. So that is how you find both the angles. So another question can be evaluate secant square 60 minus tan square 60 by sine square 30 plus cos square 30. So you just substitute the values. So secant 60 is 2. So that is secant square 60 is 4 minus tan square 60, that is 3, by sine square 30 plus cos square 30. So sine square 30 is 1 by 4. Cos square 30 is 3 by 4. So this is 1. This is also 1. So the answer is 1. Right? Now I'll give you another question which you can solve as your homework, and then we'll discuss that in the next video. So find value of two tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45. Okay.
And so we come to an end to today's lecture. Thanks a lot for watching this, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to follow @fastesthumancalculator and @exp.infi on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.